What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is the Hk9 Pro Plus. It's actually the latest version of the HK series. We have the chat GPT as well in this smartwatch. We have watch faces which are made by AI, and the most important thing is it also supports recording audio. So we are going to test all of that out. Let's just unbox this and see what do we have here. So in the box, as you guys can see, we have the Hk9 Pro Plus user manual guide. Of course, if you want to study, you can, but let's just keep this aside. So now here we have the watch. So this is, my friends, the Hk9 series watch. Now this is the 9 Pro Plus, which is the latest edition we get, and it looks fabulous. So let's just keep it aside and see what else we have in the box. We have a normal strap which is of really good quality, I guess. Like, this is a black in color, but I do like it. It looks really nice and it will look amazing. So, and we also have a USB type C charger. So as you guys can see, this is actually USB type C. It's a good quality charger and it is a magnetic charger. So you just have to place your watch and there you go. It connects like that. So now let's just keep all of these things aside and just remove the plastic of our watch. So first of all, we get this watchOS 10 like animation. It looks really good. Now this watch obviously has a lot more apps compared to the Hk8 Pro Max, which people love using. And this is the home screen. What are the watch faces we have? So we also have a nice talking Tom watch face. It looks really good. Oh wow, this is actually an interactive watch face, which looks really good. And it also has sound and animations, which is amazing. So you can also just tap and change the watch face. So here we have let's use this one. This is actually the original Apple watch face, which many people prefer. If you swipe up, you're gonna get the widgets which are present in the Apple Watch Series 9. That is basically watchOS 10, and that also looks really good. As you guys can see, wow, these are really good widgets. We have stopwatch, and these are also interactive widgets. Like, you can just tap on it and it will react to what you tap on it. So there you go. We have timer, we have alarm, we have sleep. We also have the weather. If you tap on weather, it needs to be connected to your smartphone. So these are the things you get in this watch. Obviously, there are a lot of more things you need to know about this, and I'm gonna make a full video to tell you how well it is and what are the things you really need to know. But this was pretty much it for the unboxing. As you guys can see, we have the speakers here, and overall I quite like this watch. I think it's a really good watch. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.